Welcome to the chemistry practical class, and today I will continue the weight test for acid radicals. Okay, last day we have discussed up to the confirmatory test of nitrate and nitrite, and today we will start from the halides. First we will discuss the chloride test. Chloride test. There is Cl minus. First we have to do silver nitrate test. So first we have to take the 2 ml of the sodium carbonate extract in a test tube. Then it will be acidified with dilute nitric acid, and we have to apply heat to boil up that carbon dioxide. Okay. Then it will be cooled, and next few drops of silver nitrate solution, colorless silver nitrate solution we have to add. Okay. And then what will happen? You will get a cadi white PPT of silver chloride. Okay. And this precipitate will be soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. Okay. So in this way you can confirm the chloride. Okay. So again I am telling that whenever you will add to this boiled up sodium carbonate extract, okay, by nitric acid, okay, if you add silver nitrate solution, then you will get a cadi white PPT, and this PPT will be soluble in ammonium hydroxide solution, and in this way you can confirm chloride. Second test is the MnO2 test. First you have to make one mixture, that you have to take 0.5 gram solid sample in a test tube, dry test tube. Then you will add a pinch of manganese dioxide. MnO2 is a black substance. Then you have to add few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. Then this mixture is heated strongly, okay, in Bunsen flame or in spirit lamp. Then what you will observe? You will observe a greenish yellow gas having pungent smell, which turns moist starch iodide paper blue. That will also confirm that your sample contains chloride. Okay, and in this way we can easily confirm that chloride. Next we will discuss the bromide test. As these are the weight tests, these are the confirmatory tests by which we can easily confirm the radical. And now next bromide also we will do the same test, that is silver nitrate test. Here also we have to take 2 ml of the sodium carbonate extract. Then it will be acidified with dilute nitric acid. Then carbon dioxide will be boiled off. Then you have to apply heat, and then we have to cool it. Then few drops of silver nitrate solution will be added, and then you will get a pale yellow PPT. Okay, it is not a white PPT, pale yellow, very light yellow. Okay, PPT of silver bromide will be formed, and which is partially soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Okay, and in this way we can confirm that your sample contains Br minus. Next test is the MnO2 test. Here also in case of this bromide sample, okay, you have to take 0.5 gram sample and a pinch of manganese dioxide you have to add in a test tube, and then concentrate sulfuric acid few drops. Then you have to heat strongly. Then there, if you apply heat, then there will be formation of a reddish brown gas evolved. Okay, that turns the starch iodide paper yellow. Okay, in this way also we can confirm the your sample contains that bromide. And next another test is there. It is called also organic layer test or carbon disulfide test. Carbon disulfide test. So in this case, first we have to take that sodium carbonate extract, that will be acidified with dilute HCl, and then we have to add 1 ml chlorine water, and we have to mix it properly and shake it properly, and then we have to add that carbon disulfide liquid 1 ml. Okay, the mixture we have to shake vigorously. Then the organic layer, that carbon disulfide will go to the bottom as it is heavier compared to the water. So if you look at the color of this organic layer, there is no carbon disulfide layer, you will get that it will be orange color. Okay, orange coloration. In this way also we can confirm that your sample contains Br minus. So Br minus is confirmed in this way. Okay. Next we will discuss the iodide. I minus iodide test. From dye test also we get indication that your sample contain iodide or not. First we have to, here also we have to do the silver nitrate test. In the same way, we have to take the sodium extract 2 ml and then we have to add dilute nitric acid to boil up this carbon dioxide. Then we have to apply heat, then we have to cool, then we will add silver nitrate solution. Here we will get a yellow PPT of silver iodide, and this PPT is insoluble ammonium hydroxide. In this way also we can confirm I minus. Next we have to do that MnO2 test. In the same way, we have to take the mixture of 0.5 gram sample, then a pinch of MnO2 we have to take and concentrate surface. Then the mixture will be heated strongly. Definitely there you will get a violet vapor. If your sample contains iodide, you will get a violet vapor of iodine, okay, produced, and which turn the starch hydrate vapor blue. In this way also we can confirm that I minus is present, that iodide is present as acid radical, and it is confirmed. Another test we can do, that the carbon disulfide test, CH2 test. Here also first we have to take that sodium extract that will be acidified with dilute HCl, then 1 ml chlorine water we have to add, and then we have to add that carbon disulfide 1 ml liquid, okay, and then the mixture is shaken vigorously, and after some time what you will observe, that carbon disulfide layer, that organic layer at the bottom, okay, turns violet color. So in this way also we can confirm that your sample contains iodide minus. Okay, so in this way we can easily identify that fluoride, bromide and iodide acid radicals in your sample. And in case of chlorine also you can perform that bromine chloride test. Okay. Next we will discuss that oxalate ion. Oxalate ion. Oxalate ion is COO minus, COO minus. That is oxalic acid anion, oxalate ion. So first we have to do that calcium chloride test. So what to do? We have to take sample sodium carbonate extract, then we have to acidify it with dilute acetic acid, okay, and carbon dioxide we have to boil up, then you have to cool, then if you add calcium chloride solution, then you will get a white precipitate which is insoluble in acetic acid, okay. In this way you can confirm that your sample contains oxalate ion. Actually what is forming? Calcium oxalate is forming. This is a white precipitate. Next, another test here also you can perform, that KMNO4 test. So from the first calcium chloride test you will get the precipitate of calcium oxalate. So you have to filter the precipitate, okay, and then this precipitate you have to extract with dilute H2SO4, okay. Then it will convert to oxalic acid, okay. Then if you add KMNO4 and warm the solution, then the pink color of the KMNO4 solution will be discharged. So in this way also, by simultaneous calcium chloride test and KMNO4 test, you can easily confirm that your sample contains oxalate ion. Next we will discuss that acetate ion. Acetate ion. CH3COO minus. Now in acetate ion, first we can do that vinegar smell test. Vinegar smell test. So in this test, we have to take the sample and we have to mix the equal amount of oxalic acid and a few drops of water we have to mix, and this paste we have to rubbing with our fingers, okay, and then smell is taken, and here you will get a vinegar like smell, okay. Next, that confirmatory test is the esterification test or ester test. How to perform this test? We have to take the sample, that means your acetate sample, okay. Then we have to add ethyl alcohol, then concentrated sulfuric acid, and the mixture will be heated strongly in a hot water bath because alcohol is there, okay. And we have to heat around 10 minutes, okay. Then this mixture we have to pour in a beaker containing sodium carbonate solution. Then if you take the smell, then you will get a fruity smell due to the formation of ester, okay. And this is also called esterification test. In this way also we can confirm that acetate ion is present. And another test we can do, that is the ferric chloride test. So for the ferric chloride test we have to prepare the neutral ferric chloride solution, okay. So 1 ml of the water extract we have to take, then few drops of neutral ferric chloride solution we have to add, okay. First you will get a red colored solution, okay, which on dilution and boiling you will get a brown color precipitate. So in this way also you can confirm that acetate ion. So in this way we have discussed the confirmatory test, weight test of the acid radicals, and next day we will start the special test or group separation or confirmatory test for base radicals. So today up to this, thank you.